look sleepy. Are you sleepy?
Yes.
Oh, what do you need when you're sleepy?
Sleep.
Sleep, yeah. And maybe a
bed.
A teddy? A teddy?
Oh, a teddy.
Great, get your teddies, get your teddies. Oh, good. Okay, and now you have your teddies. You're sleepy.
Yeah.
What do you need?
A bed.
Everyone say, go to bed.
Go to bed.
Good, well, go to bed. Everyone lay down. Okay, I'm going to put you all to bed now. Oops.
Oh.
There we go.
Okay, you. No.
There we go.
No. I'll stop pushing. Oh.
And let's count. Ready? Tyler, 1. Ben, wake up. 2.
2.
3. 4. 5.
Everyone, there's 5 in the bed.
There's 5 in the bed.
And the little one said,
And the little one said,
roll over.
roll over.
So they all rolled over.
So they all rolled over.
And one fell out.
And one fell out.
Goodbye, Amy.
Bye. Hey, give him the cover.
I'll give him some covers back. Ah.
Okay. How many are left? How many?
4.
1, 2, 3, 4. Good.
4.
There are 4 in the bed,
and
the little one said,
roll over, roll over.
So they all rolled over and one fell out. How many are in the bed?
3.
3. Okay. There are 3 in the bed, and the little one said,
roll over.
roll over. So they all rolled over and one fell out. How many?
2.
2. There are 2 in the bed, and the little one said, roll over. Roll over. So they all rolled over and one fell out. How many are left in the bed?
1.
1. He looks comfortable, huh? There's 1 in the bed, and he said, I'm lonely.
I'm lonely.
And they all came back.
Move! I want to sleep.
What is it?
Thank you.
In the blankets, please.
Finally!
Blankets.
Finally.
Blankets.
Good night.